What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Smoking with the Rockies. You know, it's that time again. It's the weekend. We're trying to have some good food. Tonight we're making some tri-tip sliders using Hawaiian rolls. Gotta be bomb. I'm making ribs. It's gonna be amazing. I made a nice chimichurri sauce to go on the side with it. I'm gonna show you what we got going on right now. I already got them on the smoker, but I'll show you the prep work and everything else. Thank you again. Watch the video, like it, subscribe. Like always, I appreciate it. But here we go. Let me show you what we got working. Oh, look at that. Thing's a beauty right there. Perfect.